Good morning, it is January 10th, Tuesday, and today, first thing I will start out with stamping and straightening these two paring knives for the heat treat that we are planning for tomorrow. So I'll see if I have anything else I can heat treat that we need in stock, get that ground and stamped and straightened so I can do the maximum heat treat. Otherwise, I will take these two now paring knives and get handles on them. I'll finish grinding them, get them polished, and pick out handle material for those two. We sold a lot more paring knives and small knives this year during Christmas than we usually do, so we're a little thin on the ground, so hence all the work on paring knives right off the bat. We do have some hand sanding to do that Josh will probably be taking care of later on, and we also have leather work to do, so I'll kind of be jumping in and around to help Josh with some of that, and or like doing the hand sanding myself as well. So we'll see what the day brings. That's it for me. Here's Daniel with what he's got going on.
Hey y'all, hope everyone had a great weekend. I have got this French bayonet that I will be working on today. Hopefully getting a good amount of ways on it, as well as a leather saya that I've got for one of our chefs. I'll contact him to bring in the knife. That will be the majority of what I got going on, as well as whatever comes on today. It is Industry Tuesday, so hopefully we get a lot of sharpening. But now we're in our favorite spot with our favorite guy. He's back. Give him all a nice welcome. It's Josh, guys. What's up,
guys,
buddy?
What's up? So we have some really cool hand material here. We have some AAO, Arizona Ironwood Custom Hand Material. This is box elder burl, double dyed. This is mango dyed box elder burl. And these are some chaotic scales. They're pure resin. They are UV reactive. And these are just some of the really cool hand materials that you might see later on some knives.
Right on. Not in stock. They're in for us to use on knives, guys. So if you have any questions, just holler at us. But starting the week off right, so hopefully you all join us back. Make sure you're commenting, liking, and subscribing down below or wherever it is. And we'll see you tomorrow on the next one for the rest of the week. Take care, y'all.
Good morning, it is Wednesday, January 11th, and I will be getting two paring knives glued up. So I got this one, well, I got them both ground and polished, and then this one's all drilled. I still need to clean up the fronts. I need to drill the other half of this one, get them cut, and then clean up the fronts, and I'll be gluing those together. And I'll probably go ahead and glue, Josh had a couple knives that were ready for gluing, so I'll probably just glue all four of those together at the same time. Really, that's all I have for today. I will obviously be finding other things to see if I can get some more handles on things. And then we're still planning, I think we changed the plan, heat treat tomorrow, not today. I can't handle that right now. So that's my day. I'll see you tomorrow. Here's Daniel.
What's up, y'all? Just to get you caught up with what's going on. I've got the bayonet wrapped up in Evapo-Rust solution. This is how they basically asked, or not asked, but guided me on how to use this on the handle. To try and preserve one side of it is my goal, but if not, I will contact the customer and let them know I'll have to rehandle the whole thing. Hopefully that's not the case, but we'll try to go forward with that. If I get some time off of this, my refurbs for this month, I'll either try and get ahead on that or try and get into the custom for next month, because my customs this month are just waiting for heat treat, which Russell said we'll get to tomorrow. So after that, I'll be able to show you some updates on those. Other than that, I'll let them close out, so that, and I'm just gonna leave now, guys. We have nothing in the showroom. Josh isn't coming till later. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Good morning, this Thursday, January 12th, and today I will be doing the heat treat, so that's the bulk of my day. In between the heat treat stuff, I will be getting a handle on this Santoku that I did an acid etch on, and I'll get a handle on this paring knife. If those happen quickly, then I'll grab the paring knives I got handles glued on yesterday and start shaping those up. See if I can't bring them down to hand sand for the next step. Really, that's my day. Here's Daniel with what he's got going on.
Hey y'all, just to get caught up with what's going on in my world. I have got the bayonet cleaned up and the handle off. I was able to preserve the one side. It's soaking in mineral oil at the moment to kind of hydrate and swell back up. The hardware is also in the Evapo-Rust, right? Yeah, Evapo-Rust, that's what it's called. the hardware's in there. I've got that soaking, and I'm going to clean up the rest of this side and then probably start looking at how to apply the other piece of handle material. I will have to work a little bit with this rivet or nut or compression fit, something that they use then. I still have the pin that went through it, so pretty excited that I actually kept a bunch of it, and hopefully I can still preserve that. That's going to be the majority of my day, along with helping Russell if he needs me, and whatever else comes in until about 12. Josh has been working a couple of half days just so that way he can get himself back up to health. So don't have anything in the showroom for you at the moment. Again, apologies. This is going to probably be a short week of filming, but other than that, appreciate you sticking with us. We'll see you tomorrow on the next one, guys. Take care.
Good morning. It's Friday the 13th. Good luck to everybody today. So today I will be getting the Nakiri, the Santoku, the Hidden Tang drop point, and one of the paring knives. I will try to catch these up to the other knives that I started shaping yesterday. I didn't get a whole lot of work on them, just basically got the flats done, so they're not very far along. And I will also be getting this one basically ready for hand sanding. We still haven't had time to start the sheath, so we need to do that very soon here, but this one also needs to be at a little bit higher stage before we do that. So that's my day, really. I will be doing the second tempering on the bulk of the knives I heat treated yesterday, and then I need to do additional tempers on the other 2 types of steel I heat treated. It was 4 steels total, but 2 of them have the same temper, thankfully. So that's my day. Here's Josh with what he's got going on.
Hey guys, today I have for you some handle material that Gabriel helped me bring down because I can't grind at the moment. So this is one of them. This is crazy fiber on a drop point. You can't really see it, but it's a drop point everyday carry knife, and this is going to be a skinner. And that's all I've got going on. Also some Instagram stuff, maybe some outreach to customers and helping just overall in general. Here's what Daniel has to offer.
Hey y'all, just to get you caught up with what's going on. Bayonets disassembled. I don't remember exactly what we covered yesterday, but I've been working on the other scale of it. It is down. I've got to get it enough to where these older pins and these washers kind of sit just enough to where I can peen over. So as you can see, I've already inset these holes so that way that can happen, and I can basically get it to a spot where I can peen these and compression fit these down. Basically get this down to there, polish up right before I get to peening, and then hopefully peen up today. From there it should be a coast, and then working on the scabbard, which is basically rust removal. Other than that, y'all, that's going to be the majority of my day as usual with whatever else comes in. We don't have anything in the showroom for you once again, and I apologize. We just haven't had anything walk through the door. Other than that, we'll see you tomorrow, wrap up the week. We'll talk to you then. See you later. Peace.
Good morning. This Saturday, January 14th, and I got this beautiful knife all finished up. Super pleased with it. It's one of the first times I've really tried to carve pin stock to the contour of antler. If you can see that, like, it's not really focusing on it, but yeah, I really did quite the good job, I'll say, of carving that to where it's not just blocky. And so Steven had done this knife, so I'll put an edge on it and contact this customer and move on to the next thing. So I also worked on a bit of the other handles, got them somewhat shaped. Some of them I just got a little flattened. So I will work on those and see how far along I can get those today, getting them all towards hand sanding. And really, that's my day. It'll be just Daniel and I in the shop again. Josh had to step back out with his foot. It swelled up again. So Elizabeth will come in and help us out midday, like she's been doing with him being out. So that's it for us for the week. Have a great weekend, and we will see you on Tuesday. Here is Daniel with what he's got going on.
What's up, y'all? Just to get you caught up with what's going on in my world. The bayonet is done. So I've matched as best as I can. And if you think they're well done, then put down in the comments and let me know what you think I did, or how I did. But I've got it all taken care of. The mechanism now works, which I'm really happy about. That was one of the things as I broke down this bayonet. It was a little challenging in the sense of how I was going to try and keep all the original hardware, which if you look, this is all the original hardware, pins and all. I repinned this handle onto it so that way it gave it that same aesthetic and the original look, as well as cleaning up everything and find out some good information about what all this is. This is a 1870s Graw bayonet, and by Graw I mean this is the Graw is the firearm that it fit on. Really, really cool. It actually lets you know, and you probably don't see it too well right there, but that is when it was manufactured and where it was manufactured, which in French, I'm not going to try and tell you where it was, but it was in October of 1879. So, really cool thing. Really happy with how this came out. It's one of my favorite pieces that I've worked on this year. It's already January. It's only January, so kind of. But it was one of those things that I was really happy about. I hope the customer enjoys it. We are now in the showroom, guys, to show you what's new. And what is new is our custom new Mini Crooked River. So this is S90V steel, carbon fiber, black bolster with a blue sapphire pivot ring, blue backspacer, and super, super cool. This is one of my favorite knives, guys. I have this one for myself, which is a Mini Crooked River. It's just a little different. This won't last long. I already know it. So if you're interested in a really cool custom Mini Crooked River, we've got it in stock currently. And we'll basically have that for people to buy. Other than that, y'all, gonna wrap it up here. Josh is not with us today, like Russell said. So appreciate you sticking with us throughout the week. Hope you have a great weekend. Make sure you're liking, subscribing, hitting all the buttons because that helps us out. And we will see you on the next one, guys. Have a great weekend. Talk to you then. Peace.